Hi guys, it's your boy 𝗦𝗢𝗧𝗥𝗢 from Audio Direct, and wait till you see what we've done with this stunning Porsche 911 Carrera. This particular vehicle has come with a BOSE sound system, and when you sit in the vehicle with the original factory stereo, you think, oh, the sound sounds good. We can't demonstrate the sound for you because of copyright purposes, and plus it's never the same feeling on a phone or on a computer or a laptop when you're listening to the playback. But we've put the Android plug-and-play system in this vehicle with a wireless CarPlay. We've used the highest of 5.0 Bluetooth module as well as the fiber optic module. The sound in this car is shaking the doors. The original BOSE speakers are probably some of the best on the market, but the factory head unit in these Porsches trap the sound. Now this thing is completely done, and not only that, wait till you see the quality of the 360 camera that we've installed in this thing as well. So here we go, we'll demonstrate what's going on this fantastic vehicle. I'll show you these cameras, okay? Now, one thing you also have to remember, which no one else uses apart from us, we use the SONY lenses. So, alright, we'll demonstrate the quality when we engage the 360 camera element. The car's a bit loud. You jump into this German engineered supercar and check this out. Look at the quality of that. Absolutely incredible. So not only have you got the added features, you can see the two USBs there as well, which will give you all the playback options. As soon as you engage reverse on this, it jumps into the 360 as well. The quality and clarity is simply unsurpassed. We've also got the controller wheel here, so you can do a multitude of setup options on it as well. When you indicate left camera comes on, indicate right camera comes on, and you can locate this anywhere you like. This is the CarPlay, which of course Google Maps, and you can see the speed at which this machine is moving. It really is incredible. Absolutely stunning job on this Porsche 911. Instantly 360 camera is engaged, and of course it works with the factory BOSE system, and it makes it sound 10 times better. Any Porsche owners out there, you'll know that this is what you need in your vehicle as well.